Hey there. Having trouble with your Cash Card on Apple Pay? You're not alone. Many users experience this inconvenience, but don't worry. Today we're diving into how to fix Cash Card Apple Pay not working so you can get back to making seamless purchases in no time. Step 1. Verify your Apple Pay setup. First and foremost, check that your Apple Pay setup is correct. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone and ensure your Cash Card is added. If it's not there, tap the plus icon to add it again. Follow the on-screen instructions to add your card. Make sure your iOS is up to date, as software updates often fix bugs that could interfere with payment methods. Step 2. Check your Cash App balance. Next, open the Cash App and verify your balance. Insufficient funds can lead to transaction failures, so ensure you have enough in your account. To add funds, tap the Add Cash option and transfer money from your linked bank account. Once your balance is sufficient, try using Apple Pay again. Step 3. Restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary issues. Turn off your iPhone completely, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. This can refresh the system and clear minor glitches that might be causing your Cash Card issue with Apple. Step 4. Re-add your Cash Card. If restarting doesn't work, consider removing your Cash Card from Apple Pay and then re-adding it. Go to the Wallet app, tap on your Cash Card, select Remove Card, and confirm. Then add the card back by tapping the plus icon, following the on-screen prompts to complete the process. Step 5. Contact support. Still facing issues? It's time to reach out for professional help. Cash App and Apple both offer customer support. For Cash App, contact them through the app by navigating to your profile, selecting support, and following the instructions. For Apple, visit the Apple Support website or use the Apple Support app on your device for assistance. Step 6. Keep apps updated. Ensure that both the Cash App and Apple Wallet app are updated to their latest versions. Developers frequently release updates to fix bugs and improve functionality. To update, open the App Store, go to your profile, scroll down to find upcoming updates, and tap Update All. Figuring out how to fix Cash Card Apple Pay not working can be a bit frustrating, but with these straightforward steps, you'll be on your way to resolving the issue. From verifying your setup and balance to reaching out to support, each step is designed to eliminate potential problems and get your digital wallet functioning smoothly again. Remember, technology mishaps are common, but with a little patience and persistence, the solution is often just a few taps away. Safe spending.